If you've been tirelessly hunting for a gaming PC that strikes the perfect balance between price and performance, look no further, because the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is about to steal the show. A jaw-dropping powerhouse, it can be yours for only $900. Yes, you heard that right. This beast is both affordable and packed with power. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Before we dive into the heart-pounding specs and performance details, let's talk about the price tag. At just $900, you're getting a 13th generation Intel Core i5-13400F and an RTX 4060 with 8GB of VRAM. Is it really worth it? Sure, you could try building one yourself for less, but here's the thing. The convenience of having this pre-built monster delivered straight to your doorstep, all ready to go, is a luxury that's worth every penny in my book. But the real question is, does the performance live up to the hype? Let's talk about 1080p gaming, the sweet spot for this system with that mighty RTX 4060 GPU. If you're wondering if this rig can handle your favorite games, rest assured, this PC won't disappoint. Take GTA 5 for instance. Crank to the max settings with FXAA on and MSAA set to 4x, this machine serves up a steady 100 to 130 FPS. Whether you're zooming through the streets of Los Santos or dodging bullets in high-octane chases, you'll experience buttery smooth action. But we're not just talking about casual titles here. This system is a true champion of modern gaming. Let's crank things up a notch with Cyberpunk 2077, a game known for pushing hardware to its limits. At ultra settings, expect an FPS range of 55 to 65. But don't panic. Thanks to DLSS, your experience is massively boosted, transforming it into a much smoother, more immersive ride. It's like watching your game world come to life in stunning clarity without sacrificing performance. Now, if you're a competitive gamer, you're in for a treat. Games like Counter-Strike 2 run like a dream, with an average FPS of around 180 frames per second on very high settings. And when you fire up Fortnite on epic settings, the PC delivers a smooth 110 to 130 FPS, ensuring you'll be on top of your game, whether you're building forts or taking down your opponents. So how does this gaming titan hold up under the hood? Let's break it down. The Intel Core i5-13400F processor is a beast in its own right, sporting 10 cores of pure power. It's more than capable of handling both gaming and light productivity, making it a versatile choice for those who want a gaming PC that can also take care of day-to-day tasks. The RTX 4060 GPU with 8GB of VRAM is tailor-made for smooth 1080p gaming and delivers exceptional performance for the price. It may not be the king of 4K gaming, but with some tweaks to the graphics settings, it'll still give you a solid experience if you dare to venture into the realm of ultra-high definition gaming. Throw in 16GB of DDR5 RAM, plenty for gaming, and a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, and you've got a machine that loads games faster than you can say instant action. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC isn't just a mid-range gaming rig. It's a statement with enough muscle to dominate 1080p gaming and even take on 4K with some settings adjustments. This machine is ready to tackle whatever you throw at it. It's got the specs you need for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. No need for upgrades right away unless you plan on running a small server farm. And the best part, it arrives fully assembled, so you can skip the hassle of connecting wires and hoping you don't short something out. Plug it in, fire it up, and you're good to go. Ready to make this beast your own? Simply scan this QR code and check it out on Amazon right now. You can also scan this QR code to upgrade your RAM right now. Links can be found on the description box below. Don't wait, level up your gaming experience today. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!